Today we dive into the exciting history of one of the most prestigious and well-known car manufacturers in the world, Mercedes-Benz. This German car brand, which has existed for over 100 years, is renowned for its quality, luxury and innovation. Let's go on an exciting journey through time together. It all started back in 1886, when Karl Benz introduced the world's first internal combustion car. He received a patent for his invention, and this date was the birth of the Mercedes-Benz brand. At the same time, Emil Junels and Gottlieb Daimler were also developing cars and engines that became the basis for future Mercedes-Benz models. In 1926, Benz and Daimler-Motoren-Gesellschaft teamed up to create a new brand of Mercedes-Benz cars. This combination of engineering prowess and style caught the attention of the global automotive industry. From the 1930s, Mercedes-Benz started producing luxury cars, such as the famous Mercedes-Benz 770, which was the car of choice for high-ranking political figures and members of royal families. However, the history of Mercedes-Benz is not limited to luxury cars. During World War II, the company switched to the production of military equipment, including trucks, tanks and aircraft engines. One of the most important eras in the history of Mercedes-Benz was the period of the 1950s and 1960s, when legendary models such as the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, with its iconic gullwings, and the Mercedes-Benz 220 SE were created. These cars showcase cutting-edge technology and style that car enthusiasts still admire. In the following years, Mercedes-Benz became a pioneer in road safety. In 1978, the company introduced the ABS system, and later the electronic stability program, Spanish pesetas. These technologies have greatly improved vehicle safety and have become the industry standard. Mercedes-Benz continues to innovate in the new millennium. They developed the Distronic remote control system, which allows the car to automatically maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. The company is also active in the field of electric vehicles and develops new energy-efficient solutions for the future. Mercedes-Benz is not only a brand of cars, it is a symbol of excellence, style and advanced technology. Over time, this company has built a rich heritage that epitomizes German quality and engineering excellence.